Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today we're doing a tasty vegetable side dish of honey, garlic, carrots, and parsnips. These two vegetables are cut in a baton shape and sautéed with garlic, butter, and honey for a delicious side dish. And don't let the parsnip fool you. It's a wonderful vegetable. When it cooks, it really mellows the flavor and brings out its natural sweetness. Combined with the honey, it's fantastic. It starts by cutting the vegetables into a baton shape, or large sticks, about 2 inches long by 1/4 inch on all sides. Trim a thin slice off of one side to flatten it out. Rotate, trim, rotate, and trim. That just squares up the vegetable. And to minimize too much waste, it doesn't have to be perfectly square. And then cut into 1/4 inch slices. Cut each slice into 1/4 inch sticks. Again, they don't have to be exact. Our goal is to make them as uniform in size as possible. This ensures even cooking. Any scraps of parsnips can be used in stocks, soup, and even grated to make muffins and loaves. And the carrots are cut in the same manner. And it really doesn't take all that long once you get going at it. In a large skillet, heat unsalted butter until foamy. Once hot, add minced garlic and lightly sauté for a minute or so. Add in your prepared carrots and parsnips. Stir to coat with the butter and garlic. Add water. Cover and cook over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring once or twice. Remove the cover and increase your heat to high to help evaporate any leftover water and allow the vegetables to finish cooking, and they will start to caramelize slightly, adding to the flavor. Test your vegetables for doneness, and once they're cooked to your liking, remove from the heat. Stir in honey, parsley, salt, and pepper. You'll love this side dish because it holds up well in color and texture, allowing you time to get everything else ready and on the table. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, or visit me at my website at compelledtocook.com. We'll see you again.